how to save a TikTok draft video in your phone's gallery without actually posting it to TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different methods that will allow you to actually save TikTok draft videos to your phone's gallery. Now, unfortunately, there is no built-in method within TikTok that allows you to do this, so we have to use some tricks that allow us to save these videos to our phone's gallery. All right, so to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is simply open up a draft video. And now that I have it open, just need to select Next in the bottom right. Now that we're on post, right under Cancel in the top right, select the thumbnail of your video that's labeled Select Cover. And then at the top right, select the box. So as you can see now, the video is playing. It does not have any TikTok watermark, and there's nothing else on the screen. Now all we need to do to simply save this video is to simply record our screen on our phone. Now, recording your screen will be different on an iPhone or an Android phone, and I'll have a tutorial in the description. All you would need to do is record your screen while this video is playing, and then you would have a saved version of the video. Once you tap the screen, it'll bring back everything back on the screen, and then you can either delete the draft or save another one using the same method. Now, if for some reason you do not want to do that method, there is one more way to save a TikTok draft video to your phone's gallery, but we do have to post the video. It's just we're going to make it private before we post it. So to do that, simply open up the draft video. Then over in the right menu, select Privacy Settings, and you want to make sure under Who Can Watch This, you have Only Me selected. Once you do that, select Next, and then scroll down, confirm Who Can Watch This Video is Only Me, and then we want to go down all the way to the bottom, select More Options, and in here you want to make sure that Save to Device is toggled on. Once you've done that, select the X mark, and then now we can post this video. It'll upload it, and now that video has been uploaded to TikTok, but as you can see, it's private. And when I open up my phone's gallery, the video is right here, and now I've saved that TikTok draft video to my iPhone's phone gallery. All right, so that's how you save a TikTok draft video in your phone's gallery without posting it. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.